Replacing windows is a significant investment in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. For homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, where temperatures can soar in the summer and drop during chilly desert nights, window replacement is often more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a necessity for energy conservation and maintaining indoor comfort. However, many homeowners unknowingly make mistakes during the process, which can lead to costly repairs or dissatisfaction with the results. To ensure your window replacement project goes smoothly, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the most frequent errors homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of window for their home. Gilbert's unique climate requires windows that offer excellent insulation and UV protection. Opting for single-pane windows or models without energy-efficient coatings can result in higher energy bills and an uncomfortable living environment. Instead, invest in double or triple-pane windows with low emissivity coatings to minimize heat transfer and protect your home from the harsh desert sun. Failing to consider the frame material. Another common oversight is not paying enough attention to the window frame material. Frames come in various materials, including wood, vinyl, aluminum, and fiberglass, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. In Gilbert, where weather extremes are common, vinyl and fiberglass frames are often the best choices due to their durability, low maintenance, and resistance to warping under intense heat. Wooden frames, while aesthetically appealing, may require more maintenance and are prone to damage in humid conditions. DIY installation without proper expertise. While DIY projects can be fulfilling and cost-effective, window replacement is not a task to tackle without the proper knowledge and tools. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, water damage, and reduced energy efficiency. In Gilbert's climate, these issues can quickly escalate, leaving your home vulnerable to the elements and driving up cooling costs. Hiring a professional window installer ensures the job is done right the first time, saving you time and money in the long run. Neglecting local building codes. Each region has specific building codes that govern construction and renovation projects, including window replacement. Neglecting these regulations can result in fines, project delays, or the need to redo the work entirely. Gilbert homeowners should familiarize themselves with local building codes or hire a licensed contractor who understands the requirements to ensure compliance. Overlooking energy efficiency rating. Energy efficiency is a critical factor to consider during window replacement, especially in Gilbert, where cooling costs can be substantial. However, many homeowners overlook energy efficiency ratings, focusing instead on aesthetics or price. Look for windows certified by Energy Star or rated by the National Fenestration Rating Council, NFRC. These ratings indicate how well the windows insulate, block solar heat, and allow natural light into your home. Ignoring proper measurements. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensuring your new windows fit perfectly. A common mistake is relying on rough estimates rather than precise measurements, which can result in ill-fitting windows and compromised performance. Professional installers will take detailed measurements to avoid issues like drafts, water infiltration, or structural instability. Skimping on quality to save money. Budget considerations are important, but cutting corners on quality can lead to long-term issues. Low-quality windows may initially save you money, but they often come with reduced durability, poor energy performance, and a shorter lifespan. Investing in high-quality windows ensures better performance, lower energy bills, and fewer replacements in the future. Not considering aesthetic compatibility. While functionality and efficiency are crucial, overlooking how the new windows will complement your home's design is another common pitfall. Ensure your chosen window style aligns with your home's architectural design and enhances its curb appeal. From modern casement windows to traditional double-hung styles, the right choice can elevate your home's overall look. Failing to schedule maintenance after installing new windows, some homeowners neglect routine maintenance, leading to premature wear and tear. Regular cleaning, inspection, and upkeep are essential to extend the lifespan of your windows and ensure they perform optimally in Gilbert's challenging climate. Ignoring professional advice. Lastly, failing to seek or heed professional advice can lead to mistakes that could have been easily avoided. Experienced contractors or window specialists can provide valuable insights tailored to Gilbert's unique conditions, helping you choose the best options for your home. Conclusion. Replacing your windows in Gilbert is a smart move for enhancing your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure a successful project that meets your needs and withstands the test of time. Whether it's selecting the right materials, hiring professionals, or prioritizing energy efficiency, thoughtful planning and informed decisions will make your window replacement a smooth and rewarding experience.